Yeah, I know. I'm still wearing the same Christmas shirt in spring because it's still the same day that I installed all the strobes and all that, but these videos are too long and I had to break them down into 2 segments. And the other thing I know that you guys are probably thinking is, yeah, you got yourself some fancy light up rectangles for your back bumper. Big deal. All right, so let's get a little technical here. First of all, these aren't squares. They're actually called stealth black reflective chevrons. And these bad boys actually increase the visibility of your car by up to 90% more than if you didn't have these installed on your car. Whether you break down by the side of the highway or you drive some dark ass country roads like I do, having these bad boys on can potentially be life-saving. I left a link in the description down below if you guys decide after watching this video that you want to get yourself a set. Of course, I couldn't end the video without showing you guys what this thing actually looks like at night. Mind you, I'm holding a flashlight, I'm pointing it down, and I mean, it's wanting to already start to reflect it. Look at the flashlight. It's already wanting to reflect the light. And as I go up higher and higher, I mean, it's just, this is perfection. Now, just imagine you're out here in the middle of a dark woods, you just broke down, maybe your car battery died, or for whatever the reason is, and you're pulled over on the side of the road. Guess what? These reflective chevrons got your literal ass covered. And that is going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a simple little modification, but it can make all the difference, especially nowadays, man, with all these distracted drivers and all. Oh, was that a wild dog? All these distracted drivers on the road, seeing something like that is definitely gonna get your attention. You're gonna be like, what the hell? You're gonna see this thing from far as hell. Like I said, far as hell, increases the visibility of your car. Mind you, I'm still pointing this down. I'm not even pointing it all the way. And yeah, it makes all the difference. It literally took maybe what, 5 minutes to install. Cheap as hell. I'd say this is a must-have for anybody out there. And the fact that they're black gives it that stealth mode. But at night, when it's most needed, yeah, that's when it really pays for itself. And that's where I'm going to leave the video, guys. This light bar is literally illuminating the whole forest to making my trunk look pink. It's making my truck look pink. Either way, it's your boy, Mr. Random. I'll catch you guys on the next Crown Victoria video. I got a bunch of stuff coming, another couple little simple mods. You guys are going to love it. Catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.